All right, guys, here we go. Event number 2 for Defend the Den. This event is a 2-part event, and we are calling this event Hoist because we're gonna be taking barbells from the ground overhead for this entire event. Part 1 is 5-minute AMRAP, as many clean and jerks as possible at 135 pounds and 95 pounds for our RX divisions and 95 pounds and 65 pounds for our scaled divisions. The rules here, 1 person working at a time. The other teammate is gonna be outside of the square that will be marked as our platforms on game day. We need a hand tag to switch teammates, and you can split the work any way you want to. So 1 teammate could do 30 reps, then teammate 2 does 2 reps. Any way you wanna mix it up. The score at the end of the 5 minutes is total reps of clean and jerks. Requirements, the bar starts on the floor, goes through the front rack, it has to go through the shoulders so you can't snatch it, and then gets up overhead with the knees, hips, and elbows fully extended with the bar over the shoulders, hips, and heels, showing control with the toes back in line. At the 5-minute mark, we immediately switch gears and we have 7 minutes to establish a 1-rep max snatch for each athlete. Same thing here, you decide who does how many lifts and when. What we need is a score for load for each athlete by the end of the 7 minutes. Each platform, each bar will have a set of 45s, 25s, 15s, 10s, 5s, and 2.5s, and clips. If you think you'll need more weight than that, let your judge know before your heat starts and we'll make sure that we get the weight for you. Similar, the bar starts on the floor and has to get overhead with the knees, hips, and elbows extended, but the bar cannot go through the front rack position. So it needs to be a snatch, it cannot be a clean and jerk. For the snatches, they can be power snatches or squat snatches. As long as the bar starts on the ground and gets overhead in that fully standing up position without going through the front rack, you're good to go. Both clips need to be on the barbell for any rep to count of the clean and jerks or the snatches. The score here is total load of athlete A's heaviest snatch plus athlete B's heaviest snatch. Now, the snatch needs to be completed before the end of the 7 minutes. So if you start your rep and you're in the middle of it when the clock hits 7, that will not count as a rep. All right, event number 2 is Hoist, 2-part event, 5 minutes, as many clean and jerks as possible, 7 minutes to establish a heavy snatch for load. All right, guys, let's have some fun.